like when people play with me. Like, you know.
In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Stuck in my waist, so I'm loving my bands. Like 1 million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rum. Big boobs in the butt, stay plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like ice, how you always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood.
Yeah, look at me dead in my eyes, I know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect, all my shorty BDs, they know that I'm trying. Too much respect, I used to hand out CDs before they would buy. Whoa, she love me so much, it seems like she cries. Niggas don't know how I live, but that's what they living behind. 4L13, stepping on shit to this pot. He brought me the money sealed up, I still had to count it, I cannot just hide. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the bank. Tell her to open the safe. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it takes. The diamonds they look like a rainbow. That's cause the neck is a frame. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the nines. Breaking and bending the spines. I hate a privileged rapper that they had to hit since the signs. Niggas be full of excuses, act like they taking their time. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at me dead in my eyes, you see all the times that I had to go slide. You could do it
damage. If you got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh. If I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah. If I'm worth more than you could manage. Manage, yeah. Open with me, oh, we could be honest. Closer to me, oh, giving me silence. Promise that you won't let me fall. Holding me tight, loving me right, giving me light. All like you could be. Telling me lies, making me cry.
Hey guys, good morning. So guys, yesterday I didn't get to talk to you guys again about the bowling. Guys, yesterday was my first time ever trying bowling and I think I did so well. Yeah, so I went to City Bowl in Wuse 2. Yes, that's the place I went to. I went to City Bowl in Wuse 2 and their price is 4,800 naira, yes, per person, and you're entitled to 20 balls. You're entitled to 20 balls, and guys, you are not permitted to share. So if you are 3 or 2, you have to pay, get your ticket 4,800, 4,800 separately. You are not allowed to share again. So for the bowling, it costs 4,800 naira, and you are entitled to 20 balls. Then it was nice. You guys saw the video and I'm just giving a review generally about it. It was nice, I enjoyed it. So many people were there around 10 p.m, yes. So some people were still there. It was fun. Then we ordered cocktail. The cocktail is strawberry something. I can't remember the name, but if I remember, I'll insert the name on the screen. Then the strawberry cost 5,000 naira per one. So the 2 cups cost 10,000 naira because I went with my friend. Yeah, that's it. The bowling was nice. I browsed the name on Google to check if they were open yesterday. So it's not that I've been there before. I've not been there before, so I just browsed their name and I love what I saw. So it was nice. For my first time trying it, I will recommend it, and it's something I would definitely try next time. I'll keep on trying next time because I absolutely enjoyed it. So guys, let me know in the comment section if you are going to try bowling or not. I hope you love this video. I hope this video was interesting. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to share my videos. Do not forget to like my videos. Okay, and yeah guys, see you all in my next video. Bye.